What's up, guys? My name is Henry from GI Technologies. Currently, we are inside Kasoa, Millennium City, and here we're about to fix our 6-line electric fence in this home. And then when we finish, we also put what we call the metallic mesh, to kind of close those space on the wall top, and then that of the gate. We want to help the client. We want to secure the client from intruders. If you're on a fresh site, a new site, and you have something like this, what happens is that most times the bad guys are able to walk around and know when you are home and when you are not home, and when they can do the operation. So we want to put a stop to that. So that's why we are here. We are here with a full team, about 8 of us, to get everything sorted out. I'm very excited to show you our final work. So let's go.